Losothisha kanye nabafundi abasuleleka ngeCovid-19 ezikoleni. Inhlangano I-COSAS ikhala ngokuthi izikole azikuqikeleli konke lokhu.
We have been contacted by learners telling us that the schools haven't been sanitized and all that. There has been in Joburg as well. We do have in the Northwest as well and in Limpopo. When we went to the Department of Education, we did not get a clear clarity on what is actually going on. And each time we go there, there are not answers.
Inhlangano yezigungu ezilawula izikole i-National Association of Schools Governing Bodies ithi umnyango wezemfundo kumele uqinisekise ukuthi izikole zithobela imigomo ye-COVID-19.
The national department, including the provincial department, must ensure that comply with the necessary protocols of making sure that keep our learners and our teachers very safe in this. In this instance, we have specific provinces. In fact, it's a national phenomenon. It would not just be specific to one province.
I-SABC ithi ikhulume nomfundi othe kuke kwenzeka ukuthi uthisha kanye nomfundi bahaqwe ileligciwane, kepha-ke isikole sangalibika lolu daba. Abazali bakhathazekile.
We as parents in big places, we are very much concerned because the grade 12 has been infected COVID-19. We have just had a meeting with principal, but the principal ignores us.
I-Curio Academy eMahikeng isolwa ngokugodla ulwazi ngokusabalala kwaleli gciwane kanye nongagcine ngabodwana abafundi abatholakala nalo. Imemezele ukuthi sizovalwa lesi sikole ngokuphazima kweso emva kokuzwa ukuthi sekusabalale lezi insolo. Kanti yenqabile ukuphawula yathumela istatimende esithi isiqalile ukuhlanza ngezibulali magicwane lesi sikole. I-COSAS ifuna zivalwe izikole. Umnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo uthi okwamanje akukho ezinhlelweni zawo ukuvala izikole.
It would be wrong to say they must be shut down because schools are not complying. When there's a problem, you fix the problem.
Lo mnyango umemezele ukumiswa kwezemidlalo ezikoleni njengoba kunemibiko ethi ibhebhethekisa i-COVID-19.